I recognize the gentleman from Illinois for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and Mr. Secretary. Thank you again for being here. I'm concerned about the news this week that our European and NATO ally Romania is now seriously considering doing business with a Chinese state-owned enterprise, China General Nuclear Power Group. Just this week, the Romanians signed a preliminary agreement with the Chinese to refurbish and build multi-billion-dollar nuclear reactors in Romania. We have American companies vying for the project, but have been shut out by the Romanian government because of this growing Chinese influence in Bucharest. To make matters worse, these two new Romanian nuclear reactors near the Black Sea sit nearly 30 miles from Camp MK, where we have boots on the ground. Mr. Secretary, from a national security standpoint, do you have concerns with the Chinese investment in the energy infrastructure of our NATO allies, such as Romania?
Yes.
And luckily, the agreement between Romania and China is not yet finalized. So how can we engage with our partners in Romania to ensure that the bidding process for these projects is fair and transparent?
We're headed back over in that part of the world the first week of June. I was just back from Brussels meeting with the Deputy Prime Minister of Romania this last week. We are in active engagement with our allies and our friends in the European theater on the U.S. Engagement on civil nuclear projects. It's incredibly important for the future of the U.S. civil nuclear industry to be engaged there, to be partners with them, to develop the new technologies, because if we don't, then at some point in time, the challenges that we face in America today are pretty abundant and pretty clear. When we've only got one project that's ongoing today, building a new reactor, it's why small modular reactors and the work that we're doing on funding those small modular reactors is so important going forward. So, yes, sir.
Excellent. Thank you. And